day everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your bonus love read. This reading is going to be for the sign of Aries and let's see what is the current energies of your person. What are their most dominant thoughts? What are their thoughts, feelings and emotions for you and their messages for you as well. We will also be adding oracle cards as well in this reading, so stay tuned. And before I dive into the read, let me remind you it is a general read. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the signs and messages which are resonating with you in your situation and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. So, Aries, let's see. Whoever it is that you're dealing with, let's tap into their current energies. Let's find out what are their top most dominant thoughts right now. What is it that they have heavily on their mind? Let's see. Aries, your person's energies. Let's see. The Fool paired up with the Death. I feel like there is something changing in your person on an individual level. I feel like the person is definitely having a rebirth of some kind where they are going to become a better version of themselves. Who is going to be more fun, who's going to be more loving, who's going to be more uh, happy, excited, and who's ready to embark on a new journey for themselves. I feel like your person is somebody who's maybe they are traveling away from the current situation, traveling away from a current location to maybe towards you, towards something else. Maybe I feel like this person seems like they are putting an end to the ties that they had with something, and they are freeing themselves from that. Like it's more of a setting yourself free energy that your person is having right now. So maybe they are traveling away from their current location. Maybe they are planning to do so, but yes, there is this plan, there is this energy that they have. They are excited to embark on a new journey for themselves. I feel like for majority of you, your person is definitely wanting, wishing to put an end to the past and start a new journey for themselves. Let's see what are their feelings, thoughts and emotions for you. What is your person's feelings, thoughts and emotions for you? What is it that they have for you? What are they feeling and thinking for you, for the connection that they have with you? Let's see. King of Swords, Three of Pentacles, the Strength, Page of Pentacles. It seems like your person is not being expressive at all. They are not investing into this connection right now. Like it seems like um, maybe this is something which they are breaking free from. Maybe they have not been able to invest time into love and relationship. Maybe they are traveling towards you right now. Seems like this person is not into this connection right now with you, but this is changing. This is going to change. With the change in themselves, this change is going to be reflected in their way of dealing with you and the connection that they have with you as well. So I feel like some sort of change is definitely coming in from your person's end towards you. I feel like this person is somebody who could have been away from you. Maybe they are traveling towards you for majority of you, even if they are in the same city, same country. But yes, they will be traveling towards you in terms of they will be opening themselves up to have a new beginning with you, to have a reconciliation with you, to have a rekindle of a connection with you, which they never thought that they would ever do again. Maybe they had moved on to someone else. Maybe you moved on to someone else. But then I feel like this energy is shifting. I do see your person as somebody who is not into the connection right now, but things are changing and they are going to be investing into this connection now. They have been waiting for this change. I feel like for majority of you, maybe a person is living away from you. Maybe they are traveling to come towards you. Let's see what is it that they secretly wish to tell you. But I feel like they are now ready to invest into the connection with you. Whether they see it going anywhere or they don't, they want to invest into this connection. Let's see. They really want you to know that they are coming back home to you. Like I feel like this person believes that you are the one that they can call their own, and they want to come back to you because you are the one that gives them the homely feeling, that gives them the loving feeling, that gives them the feeling of having emotional satisfaction. You are their wish fulfillment. They have waited for this time. It took them time to decide to cut ties with whatever that they were doing in the past. But now they are making that decision and coming towards you. Just wait for me. That's exactly what they want you to know. Let's see more cards here. Let's see what are the messages from your person for you. What else do they want you to know? I love you, but I love my family too. I feel like, for some of you, maybe they had chosen their family earlier, but now it seems like, they're going to be choosing you. And I no longer let people influence my life. I have changed. Now, for some of them, maybe their family was the one which kind of, kept you two apart. And now they are breaking free from any sort of influence that they had allowed to take charge of their connection with you. They are breaking free from that and coming towards you. I can still feel you. This person really miss you to the point where they can still feel you, your presence, and they can imagine you, visualize you, and feel you. I'm sorry for what happened, but I will make up for it. Whatever happened in the connection between the two of you, this person is ready to make up for it. Whatever they could not do right to you, they will be making up for it. Let's see. I hope you can forgive me one day. This person really is wishing and hoping for forgiveness to come from you. They really know that they did something wrong in the connection. We both know I'm not the one for you. Maybe in the past they might have said that to you because of their family pressure, but deep down they always had something for you. But they could not give you what they wanted back then. But now they are coming to make up for whatever happened in the past. Forgiveness. I feel like, this person really seeks forgiveness from you for sure. Nothing is gained by holding on to past disappointments. They really want you to forgive them for whatever happened in the past in this connection between the two of you. They really want to reconcile with you, and they are letting you know that they are coming towards you. Don't move on. Don't ever think of I feel like, this person. Let me take one card more for this King of Swords energy there. This person had taken a lot of time to even now too. I feel like if this person is going to still take some time to come towards you. That's why they are asking you to wait on for them. But I feel like, once you guys are together, there will be no influence of other people in their life, so which will be a good thing. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If it helped you, do like, share, and subscribe. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye.